To check your usage quota in Antigravity, both the CLI version and also the Windows app. So when you've logged into your CLI version, type in /usage and then press enter. So here it will show you the Gemini models, the weekly limit. So at the moment I've hit the limit, so 0%, and it will refresh in 3 hours. For the 5-hour limit, since I've already hit the weekly limit, then this does not apply. So I'll just have to wait until it refreshes in 3 hours. It also shows you the Claude and GPT models. So using Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, and GPT-OSS. So this one here has already refreshed. That's why it's at 100%. And I'm currently using the Claude Sonnet model. Reach the quota, you'll get this pop-up message saying that the quota has already been reached and it'll reset on this particular date and time. I'm just going to dismiss this just if you wanted to check whether how much quota you have left. Just go to the settings here on the left hand side, go to models, and then you see the Gemini models, the usage, so 0% at the moment. So I can't really use the Gemini models, but the good thing, if you're using Antigravity and you're on a particular plan, so I'm on the Google AI Pro plan, you do get to be able to use the other Claude and GPT models. Now the Claude models, it's the Sonnet and the Opus models, whereas the GPT model is the GPT-OSS. So those are the ways you can check your model usage in Antigravity, both the CLI and the Windows app version. Hope this video helped. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.